Oh, that's loud. Are you serious on one? Oh, that was a double-decker train from Point Pleasant. That's a double-decker train from Bayhead. No, that edge is from Bayhead.
Mason, this train stop from Bayhead to Long Branch. As soon as I get to Long Branch, they go back the opposite direction.
You not see the electric line? Yeah, that still means it's from Point Pleasant. Bayhead, man. Not every time they go, cause that's the double-decker trains always go, just even go if it's from Bayhead. But if it was the Comet train and it has 6 cars or 7, they usually have 7 cars. They would just go. They would just pass Point Pleasant. I mean, past Long Branch too. They would just like stop at Long Branch and still go. But if it's a shorter car, they wouldn't go. They would just go back. So that I know. I already know.
I was exhausted listening to that, Mason.
Oh
I'm
my.
exhausted.
Here we go. It's gonna be loud.